With 3D Sculptor, part of the brand new 3DEXPERIENCE SOLIDWORKS for Makers offer, you get to mold digital clay to create organic shapes and surfaces with powerful and fun sub-D modeling tools. You can use images and sketches as templates for designs, and import and export directly into 3DEXPERIENCE SOLIDWORKS. You can also switch between the parametric modeling tools in 3DCreator with the push of a button. With 3DEXPERIENCE SOLIDWORKS for Makers, you'll get to experience the best CAD software on the planet and save big.